Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit and request for withdrawal on your LiteFinance account. These are a few steps that you need to take for you to do that. First, all you need to do is to check this your deposit section here and also withdrawal section. So since we'll be doing the deposit first, so let's see how we can do that. So click on your deposit. Once you click on your deposit, you have your trading account, which if you have multiple trading accounts, you need to choose the particular account that you want the money to be funded into. Let's say I want the money to be in my MT4 Classic 2. I click it. Payment method, which will be our local bank deposit. Then the date, leave the date, the time, leave the time. Then this comment. For example, you want your friend to send you the money, because since your friend will be sending the money, the name on your account will be different from the bank name. So sometimes it is really difficult for the system to know that it is you. So for you to get your instant deposit, all you need to do is to put your friend's name in the comment section so that the system will automatically detect that this money is coming from you. Or you want to use a POS transfer or POS deposit, all you need to do is to put the POS name, and voila, the system will automatically detect that this payment is coming from you. But if you want to use your bank, you don't need to do all of that. You don't need to go through this comment process. You just need to do it once and for all. And for you to do this once and for all, click on the amount payment that you want to, and it will reflect here in dollars. So once we've done that, all we need to do is to click continue. So we copy this account number and send it the same amount that we want to be funded. So just copy the account, transfer it to your bank, and automatically your account will be funded. So that's how you fund your LiteFinance demo account. Now you funded, you traded, and you've made profit, and you want to withdraw the profit. How do you withdraw your profit? Still on the same footer section, click on the withdrawal. So once you click on the withdrawal, you want to use the local withdrawal deposit. Then first, if this is your first time, all you need to do is to click your add bank. Put your name, your bank, your country, your state, anywhere that you stay, just put it. But since I already have an account here, all I need to do is to leave it. Now, for example, I have currently $83.74 in my account. Let's say I want to withdraw the $83. I'll just leave it there, $83, and I click continue. Well, I don't want to withdraw it now, so let me leave it. But although the next step will not take us to it, you will need to be sent a verification code. This is the verification code, so they will send you a code so that you now put it on your LiteFinance account. This code will be sent directly to your SIM, and once you receive the code, all you need to do is to put the code and you click confirm. The system will automatically see it and you'll be credited ASAP. So I hope these few steps really help you to withdraw and deposit in your LiteFinance account. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and continue to use LiteFinance.